Nice ride, man.
Oh, thank you.
What year is it?
2006.
Stock? No. No? What do you got in there? Belanger? Yeah. How many RPMs can you get up to?
I usually do around 3,500, but
Yeah.
I mean,
7,000?
7,000 max.
Amazing.
Still in decent shape.
So it's a classic. It's a modern
It is
classic.
definitely a classic.
Holy,
yeah.
how many kilometers you got on this thing?
52,000.
That's it?
Yeah.
52,000. Oh, it's a beautiful car.
Thank you.
And do you put a lot of, like, do you drive it a lot or so?
Sometimes daily, just back and forth to work and
Yeah.
get out for some cruises, but yeah, I drive as much as I can.
How's the gas mileage on it?
It's, well, it depends on how you drive it. I went from Gravenhurst to Ottawa on 1 tank of gas.
Oh, okay.
So it was like 70 bucks. It's actually cheaper than my truck.
Yeah, that's not bad. 91, 94.
91.
91?
Sometimes I'll spoil it, 94, but
Yeah.
91 mostly. But you got to keep it at like 100, 110.
Yeah.
And the RPM's at 2,000, and then it's like the best gas mileage.
Nice.
Yeah.